Hello everybody. Are you looking for a nice pasta salad cold because it's 106 degrees out and you need something to eat but yet refreshing? Let's make a ham and cheddar pasta salad with some peas, shall we? Here is what we're going to need. We're going to need a cup of mayo. We have our helper here. This is Miss Lacey Ann. We're going to need a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 8 ounces of medium pasta shells, 12 ounces of frozen peas. As you see, they're on the counter because we have them thawing. They need to thaw out. 1/2 pound of diced ham. That's about 2 cups. 8 ounces of cheddar cheese, and a 1/4 cup of red onion. So we have some salty water going. We're going to add our mini thawed noodles. These things look so cute. And we'll cover that and cook it for 7 minutes in boiling water. Follow the directions on your box. Each noodles may have separate cooking directions. Alright, so we added 2 cups of mayo, 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 a teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then you're going to mix this up. So you get that all mixed in there. Alright, so we got our pasta done. Ran it under cold water to stop the cooking process, and add into our sauce over here. We got our cheddar cheese. We got our peas. If they're not thawed all the way, there'll be a little extra water at the bottom of your concoction when they're done making. We need some ham. Now, just use all this ham. Take this and mix it up. That way all the noodles that have that seasoning on it get on the ham and the peas and the cheese. Alright, so that one looks good. Let's grab our other mixer just so we can get in there real good. See, I haven't used these noodles yet. They seem to be holding the coating really, really well. I usually like larger farfalle or medium noodles, but that's just, my preference. And then we will cover this and throw it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours, it will be nice and up to cool down so that you have a nice pasta salad for dinner. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube videos. It helps a lot. I hope you have a great night.